Your mom was wrong about at least one thing. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. Researchers studied habitual knuckle crackers and found no increase in risk of hand osteoarthritis. That sound isn't bone grinding together, it's gas bubbles inside the joint fluid. Some studies even showed a temporary increase in range of motion afterward. So if cracking your knuckles annoys people, that's real. Arthritis, not so much. Science beats old wives' tales.